gorgeous. This is Melanie from Makeup by Melanie B, and today I have something a little bit different than I normally do for you guys, and this is going to be it. So I did a look that was inspired by my shirt color because I love this periwinkle blue, and so I used some of our amazing Farmasi products and created that look for you. So I hope you like this video. I appreciate you being here to watch it, and stay tuned and I'll show you how I did it. I have already done my makeup, my foundation, and I've done a video for you, a tutorial about under eye camouflage and how to eliminate those dark circles. So we're gonna move on from that by doing an eye look today. And I'm using my blue kind of periwinkle shirt as an inspiration for this look. And I have gotten this color, Midnight Smoke shadow, and look how perfect it is. So I thought we would just kind of play and do some blue eye shadow. I mean, like, this is not your mother's 80s eyeshadow kind of thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, this ain't your mama's blue eyeshadow. So we're gonna mix it up with a couple of different things that are complementary and see what kind of look we can come up with. So as always, I'm gonna start with my Pro to Fit primer, eyeshadow primer on my lids. And believe it or not, we're not going in with any of the creamy eyeshadows today because I do not yet have the blue one. And I've been waiting for it. So one of these days I'll have it and I will come back and do another very bold eye look for you. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with this one here, which I said is Midnight Smoke. It is 02, it's a mono shadow. And I'm taking a liner brush. This is actually an eyeshadow brush that we sell, but it's not been used for that lately. So I'm gonna go ahead and use that to pack in my outside corner. And I'm just tapping it to get my color on there. If I need more, I can always get more. So you'll see what I'm doing there. I'm actually just gonna put it down at an angle and then tap it and then drawing pretty much with it into my crease just a little ways. Because then once I blend this out, I'm gonna bring it up. I'm gonna bring it into a third of my eye, taking a blender, just a fluffy blender brush like this. And this one is Morphe M441. I'm gonna kind of just gently blend out this line. I'm actually gonna switch to my fluffy pencil brush that I have from Farmasi, because this is more of what I'm gonna need to really get this blended here. And I'm not going all the way up like I usually do. I'm also gonna take this pencil brush and tap it into that blue, get a little more concentration right here in this outer corner, and then blend. Notice I'm not going all the way up like I tend to do. I'm just taking this right at this brow bone and just blending out that harsh line. And then softly blending this a little bit into the center so I have more of a second color. It's just a lighter shade of what's going on in the outside. And patting that. Now, do you see how this center looks like it's a lighter shade of this, or a tint of this color here? That's what I'm trying to achieve. So I'm taking one color and I want it to look like it's two colors by doing a darker and then a medium shade, a medium tint of that. And so that is gonna be like my middle color. A little hint of blue. Now I'm going to go into Water Lily, which is, it's kind of a grayish silver. It is not exactly a silver. It's more of a taupey silver, I guess. And I'm just gonna tap that in here. And that's going to go right softly over the top of what I just put there, is that lightest shade of blue. Now that is a beautiful color. And you see how I'm just kind of packing it on, just patting it? It's pretty, so beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna take off a little of that excess color And I'm gonna go into the corner, and it's not going like inner corner, it's going into the third. It's the Sateen ribbon, and it's this one right here. It's kind of a vanilla color. We do have one that's more vanilla, but this is one I'm just gonna put right here and just overlap that water lily just a little bit. It's almost like a champagne color. Now I'm gonna clean up this outside a little bit better in a minute, but you know, if you think you've got it blended enough, blend more. That's kind of the rule, because for some reason, sometimes it's like, it just doesn't look blended enough. And it might just be the brush that you're using, you know? I wanna make sure the lighting is showing you the colors there. Okay, I'm gonna go back to the water lily, which was our middle color, and I'm tapping that brush in there, and I'm just gonna pack a little more on. One more thing I wanna do is I'm gonna spritz this brush with my time locker spray, and that's gonna help this color get packed in there and be very, very impactful. You could just use a little spritz of water if you want. The time locker really just keeps it in place and holds it the whole day. So I'm just gonna pack that on right there. Okay, now we're gonna go back into the smoke, the midnight smoke, the blue color. Put a little tap of that on there and just swirl it in this inner, or this outer corner. And lightly patting it over the edge of the water lily. And then blending out that crease. I'm gonna take a small pencil brush, which is just like that, and it's a different company, and this one is Morphe E36. And I'm going to go in with the Midnight Smoke and tap it in there and put a little bit on the outer corner. Then I'm going into the water lily, same way. I'm gonna spray a little bit of the time locker on the pencil brush and put it back into my sateen ribbon and get a little more brightness right here. And pack it on right on this side right here. I just want to brighten up that corner. All right, let's put a little bit under here. And blend. Smudge, I should say. It's more of a smudge. Let's take a powder brush and just kind of wipe up under my eye a little bit here. And we're gonna blend out this crease a little bit more. So let's go in with this brush. This one is a Morphe E22, and I'm gonna try to blend some of this out a little. Now let's go, we also haven't done the highlight yet, and that's gonna make a difference. Let's go ahead and I'm gonna try to clean this off. We'll make sure there's no blue and no silver on it. And we're gonna go in with the sateen ribbon. I really like a matte highlight color sometimes, but we're gonna go in with this one and just put it on right above our blue. This is a beautiful color. Put it right up here at my brow. I'm just patting it on. They're totally different. That's what's driving me crazy. And it's not just the lighting here. It's driving me crazy. But you know what? It's okay. Okay, so let's finish some eyeliner. Now I have the Express eye pencil that's waterproof, and it is the blue one, and it's 02. And we're gonna try to just go ahead and use this dark blue eyeliner. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of that under this outside corner. And then we're gonna smudge some of that. My little pencil brush that I was using earlier. Let's clean up a little bit. I feel like that's gonna make the difference in the whole look. So I'm gonna go in with the light ivory, draw a little line, draw a little line. Make sure my fingertips are clean because I don't want to put blue on there. And I'm going to pat, actually what I'm gonna do, sorry. Trying to find, okay, I want this concealer that's a brush that's flat at the tip. And then I'm just gonna smooth this out gently and avoiding taking off all the stuff I just did. I'll take the other side and just kind of blend it down. And you see how that cleans it up? Okay, mascara. Today let's do Deep Black. I've only used this one once and I really need to play around with these mascaras and really make a decision on which one is my real fave. I usually kind of go for optimal style. So I want to make sure that I'm comparing these to get the one that looks best on me. Now that separates like a dream. All right, it's my eyelashes I'm mad at. This is working great. Then you notice I'm not really pumping back into, never pump your mascara, first of all. Never, 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 never. It gets bacteria in there, it gets air in there, it dries your mascara out, it shortens the time of it lasting and all that. But I'm just kind of taking it back and forth without really putting more on and just making sure it's lifting and separating. That is some awesome mascara. I'm gonna try a little bit under my eye. I never do this, but just a tiny, tiny bit. Right there on the outside. I'm not trying to bring darkness under my eye. I'm just trying to bring some maybe more definition to it. So that is that mascara, which is fabulous. And you know how I'll do, I'll finish my face and then we'll go back and we'll look at how that Deep Black mascara looks at the end after it's dry. Ooh, because it looks pretty right now. Put my mirror up somewhere. Okay, so let's go in with one of the new Terracotta blushes because they're gorgeous. I got two. And I have 05, which is this one. And then I have Sweet as a Peach, which is, something else. I did it on another video, my top favorites video. So watch for that. Oh, contour. I'm not gonna contour today because I'm about to have a phone appointment with my rheumatologist. It's the first time I've ever met her. And first of all, she's already gonna think I'm overdone for our little video appointment because of the quarantine and the COVID virus. Everybody's kind of doing appointments, you know, via video conferencing type of thing. So anyway, so I'm not going to go do all that because she's going to be like, what? So just blush and highlight today. But this is kind of almost got its own highlight built in. You see that shimmer in there? It's fabulous. So smile, softly touching, and giving my cheeks a little glow. You don't have to be like nerdy smiling like I was just now, but you see how that's adding a highlight? I don't have to highlight now that I think about it. Now that I'm looking at it. It's so beautiful. I really do feel like it would be nice for me to have a little more contouring. My face looks so round right now, but I'm not gonna do it because I might come back to it though. Okay, let's do some lips. I've got new colors that we haven't seen yet. Let me see what we need to do. All right, first let's go in with a little lip conditioner. And then we're going to do, let's just do a lip pencil today in 201, which is one of my favorites. It really needs to be sharpened, but Okay, so I left this little section here without anything in it, and I'm gonna use the white eyeliner. This is the Express eyeliner, and I'm gonna fill in that section. And a little bit up here. There's a neater way to do that. And then blend it with my finger. And you see how that naturally gives you a highlight? And, okay, and then I'm just gonna go back and kind of put a little extra darkness in the outside corner. I'm just gonna blend it a little bit better. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful color. So that is 201 lip liner with the white eye pencil and the lip plumper. Now I'm gonna do a little touch up under my eyes real quick, and I really should have done contouring, but and highlighting. I'm gonna do a little highlighting. Let's do some highlighting. I don't know if you guys saw my, can't speak. I don't know if you guys saw my latest video about how contouring made easy with these sticks, but these things are freaking amazing. So we're gonna use them right quick. All right, this is the gold highlighter, Gold Flash. And I'm going to use a little of that. I say a little, and then I put on quite a bit, but that's okay. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the contour, the dark contour. Give my lip a little more pout. Oh, why not? Now that I've figured out these sticks are so easy to blend, I'm like, it doesn't take that long. Double chin be gone. I'm not going to do my jawline. And I really wasn't going to do it because I didn't want to blend it over my blush. Done. Lastly, I'm gonna use the 01 Terracotta setting powder with a blender sponge. And just pat that and to make sure it's all cleaned up. This terracotta powder just gives you like this glow. And that's it, you all. Oh, time locker setting spray. I always forget to show this part. I do it, but I always forget to show you. I didn't even do my brows today. We're leaving it. At least it smells good. I just inhaled a whole bunch of it. All right, you all, so that is it. Don't forget to check out the contouring video to show you how to use those sticks properly. And to watch my under eye camouflage video, which I did before this, to show you how to get rid of the bags and circles and stuff under your eyes. And I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope you'll come back and join me again. I hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you as always for watching, and especially now. And don't forget to subscribe and join us at the group.